profits and more this morning. Went up another $1,000 this morning, so that was a great starting point for your S&P RGL trading. Beautiful. The second thing that we brought to your attention was that the SPX 4540, look at the time guys, 5th of December, midnight. 5th of December, midnight. The SPX 4540 level is the key for the developing dealer gamma. 4540 at midnight on the 5th of December. So how did that 4540 behave, guys? Let's take a look. Midnight on the 5th of December. Here's the 6th of December, right? There's midnight on the 5th of December. See it? There's 5th of December there. And we're telling you that 4540 is the key SPX level. Are you agreeing that I'm drawing the right level on the charts? That is the level that if the dealers can hold, the market goes bullish. Understand what I'm saying? The price yesterday opened down into 4540 and the buyers bought 4540 literally to the tick. The dealers never had to do anything. They just defended off the 40s, and from 4540 guys, we've now traded 4670 based on that dealer holding the position at 4540, a level that you had 14 hours to put on your charts from that tweet. A level that you had 14 hours to put on your charts for the tweet. We told you that if the dealers can hold that level, their gamma stays positive, and they held that price to the tick. It doesn't mean it's not a care warning, but a care warning isn't a sell at top edges, guys. A care warning is a sell as the price drops, not as the price rallies. You should know that by now, guys. It doesn't mean that we're massively optimistic about the upside on equities. It just means that whilst it's going up, we let it go up, we buy into it, we let it go up, but if it starts selling, we know what to do. So this is something that we can pay attention to, this is something we can watch, and this was a hell of a good level for anybody that was paying attention to the tweets and was able to get into that bit of business. 4540s, guys. 4670s today, you can't make it up. And who'd want to, guys? Perfect trade, perfect outcome. Perfect trade, perfect outcome. Okay, that first sell that we took on the bond did well. We got some reasonable profits out of it, about 10 ticks profit on the ultra bond and then scratched out. We'll be watching for another opportunity to do it again. We'll be watching for another opportunity to do it all over again. Feels like another QE day, doesn't it? Feels very much like QE day again, with the equities higher, oil higher, bonds higher. It's got that QE written all over it, guys. QE written all over this, guys, at the moment. Horrid days, especially if you're specifically not understanding the basic fundamentals of QE. Buy everything, Paul, absolutely, buy everything. Except, of course, the country that's doing the QE. You don't buy the country that's doing the QE because they're going to be a sell, aren't they? They're the ones that are going to be a sell, so you start trying to verify that that's the case by seeing just how weak China is in relation to the US, which means obviously that they're not buying anything, they're selling, they're punting stuff in the world's markets, they're doing a lot of distribution. Well, that's one of the things you talked about, the release of oil from the reserves, and the Chinese are masters of this process. They're absolute masters of taking the piss out of everybody else and getting them to believe it. And sure enough, you know, that's what they're doing all over again, guys. That's what they're doing all over again.